Non-stick grill pans. Non-stick and easy to clean. The Switzerland Ilag non-stick coating is very effective in preventing anything from sticking to the surface, even with minimal oil, and also makes cleaning a breeze. Just wipe it with a paper towel or rinse it with water, free of PFOA and PFOS. Sturdy and durable. This grill pan is made of die-cast aluminum, sturdy and no warp. The Bakelite handle features comfortable to grip and stays cool to the touch. Versatile griddle pan. This is a versatile tool to sear, sauté, bake, broil, braise, or fry. You can cook steak, bacon, grilled cheese, chicken breast, and veggies indoor or outdoor, no matter the weather is hot or cold, wet or dry. Good for all cooktops. This grill skillet can be used on gas, electric, induction, and glass or ceramic cooktops. The thick, high magnetic, conductive stainless steel base helps distribute heat evenly and quickly. Perfect grill marks. The raised ribs leave perfect grill marks for a great presentation and keep the fat down in the grooves. The pour spouts on either side of the pan make it easy to drain those excess fats and liquids.